Today we're going to add some quality power and sound to this 2018 Royal Crimson Mustang GT with help from MagnaFlow. This is the MagnaFlow Street Series Catback Exhaust System fitting your 2018 Mustang GT Fastback or convertible. This is made of high-quality 409 polished stainless steel with mandrel-bent pipes and a 3-inch diameter going back to a pair of 4-inch tips. This will work with or without an active exhaust system and will be a direct replacement for your factory Catback. Like I mentioned, this system will work with a passive or an active exhaust system. Now, if you have the passive system, you're going to run this delete here. If you have the active, MagnaFlow includes the valve you install in its place. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 13mm deep socket, and a 15mm deep socket. The vehicle we're using today already had an aftermarket exhaust system, so we removed it prior to this installation, but we have some stock footage we're going to show you of how to remove the factory exhaust on your 2018 Mustang. Removal of the 2018 exhaust is once again a two-man job, but very easy to do. You're going to loosen the clamps up here, remove these 2 bolts for these rear brackets, pull these hangers off, and you can slide the whole thing off as one piece. We're beginning the installation by installing the resonator from MagnaFlow. Now the longer pipe is going to go on the passenger side. Okay, we're just going to snug the bolts up now on the factory clamps. You don't have to tighten them all the way, just get them snug enough that the resonator doesn't move too much. Next, we're going to grab the mid pipe, a clamp, and the factory hanger. Slide that on. And clip that in place. All right, now you're going to grab the muffler assembly. You're going to start by putting in the rear hanger. And slide it on. Okay, now we're going to push this into place, get everything lined up where we want it, and then tighten it down. All right, everything in place now, we can reinstall the bolt for the hanger. Okay, and you want to repeat the process on the other side, make your final adjustments, and your installation's finished. Okay, as we come to expect from MagnaFlow, the fit and finish of the system was fantastic. Now let's hear how it sounds. Got a nice deep tone at idle. Kind of similar to the competition, just a little bit quieter, maybe a hair more rasp to the street system. Now let's take it out on the road and hear how it sounds out there. The MagnaFlow Street was always a popular system for the 15 through 17 cars. Now, it's not one of the louder systems for sure, but it was a perfect choice for somebody who wanted, more tone, a little more volume out of their exhaust, just an overall better quality system. I mean, you're getting the stainless steel, the high quality tips, the fitment's fantastic. It's gonna flow better, it's gonna weigh less. Overall, it's a great system, and it sounds good. It's not way louder than the factory system's going to be, but the tone of it's really good. I mean, cruising, you can hear it. It's got a nice deeper sound to it. You get on it, give it some gas, it gets louder and gets just like a hint, I'll say, of rasp as it gets a little bit up in the RPM band. But again, this is a system that easily could be a factory system. I mean, the fit and finish is excellent, and the sound quality is on. I mean, it's right there. It sounds good. It just isn't as loud as some other offerings that we have for these cars. I think that's part of kind of what made it popular with previous owners, somebody who wanted a little more volume and a little more tone than stock, but didn't want to go crazy. The street was always a very good choice. And even highway speeds in 6th gear, pretty much no drone at all. The other crowd that was popular for this particular system is the people going long tube headers, maybe with like a catless off-road pipe, where some of the other systems just get painfully loud. We found the street was an excellent compromise. Like it gives you a lot more volume when you have long tubes, no cat, stuff like that on it, but keeps that really nice rich tone of the system. Now if you're looking for a system with a little more volume than stock, excellent tone, excellent fitment, it's going to be lighter than stock as well, but don't want to go overboard with the volume, the street from MagnaFlow is going to be a perfect choice. As far as installation goes, it's like any other Catback. It's pretty straightforward. It should take you no more than an hour or so. So we'll be back on the road in no time.